Avalanche value equivalent to $54 to $145 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $53 of $54, $54.60, $595. The earlier day close $54.63 to 24. The change was 0.61 79 113%. Backwards rate US to Avax. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant cost zone 16, while low zone 12. The found the middle value of cost 114. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.15's change for June 25%. US to Avax expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.15 coins. Excessive costs in 15, while low 0.12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.14. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.13 change for July 13.3%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for August 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.13 coins. Excessive costs through 13, while low 0.10. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 12. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end zone 11, change for August 15.4%. US to Avax expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 0.11 coins. Excessive cost zone 11, while lows by 9. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.10. The US to Avax figured toward the month's end zone 9, change for September 18.2%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs are at 10, while lows are at 9. The arrived at the midpoint of costs to 9. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends right 9, change for October 0%. US to Avax expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs are at 10, while lows are 8. The arrived at the midpoint of cost to 9. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.9, change for November 0%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant cost are 10, while lows on 8. The found the middle value of cost by 9. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's ends 0.9, change for December 0%. US to Avax expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.9 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.9, while lows near 8. The found the middle value of cost find 9. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.9, change for January's end %. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs right 9, while lows and at 8. The arrived at the midpoint of costs by 9. The US to Avax figured toward the month's end 0.8, change for February 11.1%. US to Avax expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 0.8 coins. Excessive costs are 9, while lows and 8. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 8. The US to Avax figure toward the month's ends 8, change for spring 0%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.8 coins. Excessive costs were 9, while lows 7. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 8. The US to Avax figured toward the month's end 0.8, change for April 0%. US to Avax expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 0.8 coins. Excessive costs are 8, while lows 7. The arrived at the midpoint of cost to 8. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends 1.8, change for May 0%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant costs are 8, while lows in 6. The found the middle value of costs are 7. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends 7, change for June 12.5%. US to Avax expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.7 coins. Exorbitant costs are 7, while lows into 6. The found the middle value of costs to 7. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's ends 6, change for July 14%. Dollar to Avalanche estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.6 coins. Exorbitant costs are 8, while lows at 6. The found the middle value of costs are at 7. The US to Avax figure toward the month's ends on 8, change for August 33%. US to Avax expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.8 coins. Excessive costs in 8, while lows in 6. They arrived at the midpoint of cost zone 7. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end zone 7, change for September 12.5%. Dollar to Avalanche figure for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.7 coins. Excessive costs are 8, while lows main 7. They arrived at the midpoint of cost zone 8. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.8, change for October 14%. US to Avax expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 0.8 coins. Exorbitant cost zone 10, while lows on to 8. They found the middle value of cost on 9. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end zone 9, change for November 12.5%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for December 2025. Before all else cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs pro 9, while lows on 7. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 8. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end zone 8, change for December 11.1%. US to Avax expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 0.8 coins. Excessive costs are 10, while lows are 8. They arrived at the midpoint of cost US 9. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's ends 9, change for January 12.5%. Dollar to Avalanche conjecture for February 2026. Initially cost at 0.9 coins. Excessive costs are 12, while lows 9. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 10. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.11, change for February 22%. US to Avax expectation for Walk 2026. To start with cost at 0.11 coins. Exorbitant costs in 14, while lows on 11. They found the middle value of cost 12. The US to Avax gauge toward the month's end 0.13, change for spring 18.2%. Dollar to Avalanche gauge for April 2026. Before all else cost at 0.13 coins. Excessive costs are 13, while lows are 11. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 12. The US to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.12, change for April 7%. US to Avax expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.12 coins. Exorbitant costs on 12, while lows on 10. They found the middle value of cost on 11. The US to Avax estimate toward the month's end 0.10, change for May 16.7%. Before all else cost at 0.10 coins. Excessive costs were 13, while lows in 10. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 11. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.12, change for June 20%. US to Avax expectation for July 2026. Before all else cost at 0.12 coins. Excessive costs 15, while lows are 12. They arrived at the midpoint of costs end 13. The US to Avax conjecture toward the month's end 0.14, change for